Dear students, welcome back. This is our third part of session 5, and in the previous two parts we already draw the front and the top view. We deduce and find the missing side view. Now we'll work with sections. I'll take this to the M0 again. As I told you at the beginning, in order to differentiate between sections and views, I'll take a copy of all of my drawings and take it to the left. At sections, we have to decide where section will be. We'll draw three sections here. Full section front view. We'll section this part and see what we'll see in the side view, and I'll take a top view section. In order to do this, we have to determine the section where it will be. So I'll put a line here. Okay, I'll put a line here, and again I'll put a line here. Let us take a little bit away from here, there, and horizontal from here, there, in order to draw our cutting plane. This is the cutting plane or section line here. He called it cutting plane. Sorry, we didn't do that one. Just go back again. Take a little bit out of the cutting plane. First cut will be from here, there. Enter the label of my section. This is D. I have it A. I want it A, so I click A, capital, enter. Okay, now ask me for the direction. The direction, it will be the arrow points toward the section. My section will be in the front, so my arrow have to point up. Click and take the F8 out and put the name of the section will be here. Okay. Now we'll make another section. From where? From here, there. Enter. The label will be B. Enter. And the direction I want it to in the side, so the arrow will point to the side view. Click here. Now the section will be in the side BB. The third section that we will do is at the top, so I'll begin my cutting plane here, end it here, enter. The label will be C, enter. The direction to the top, so my point, it have to point down, and the name under that. This is my three sections that we'll do them. Okay. As I told you, in order to have the full line here, you have to click down, properties, and go down to the requirements, line visibility style. You can make it as between planes. Escape. Click, close that property. So the first section, we'll have it in the front view. Rules of sections, as we said, there is no hidden line in the section. This is the first rule. Second rule, if there is any lines between objects, we have to take them out because they are external line, and in section, when we cut the object, it will be all the same material. They will join the material together. Okay. The thing that it didn't cut, we'll take it out or remove it. If there is not something we can see it hidden, especially, okay, and it didn't cut, we have to remove it. This is the section rules. Let us see. The cut, it cuts our hole, so we have to change our hole to visible because it cuts. And the opening of the slot is cut too, so we have to take this and changing to visible. Now we have a case. Sorry, I didn't do a fillet here. There's a fillets here on R4. You'll do them by yourself. Okay. Well, let us do them. Let us do a fillet. Fillet on 4. As you look to your snap. Okay. Trim geometry. And from here, there. And from here, there. So the line between these is going out. In the view, it will stay. In the view, it will stay. Let's go back to our views. And if I do a fillet here, I have to take the trim geometry out. Can you see? Now trim at 4. Okay. 1, 2. Enter. Enter. 1, 2. And I have to trim it manually. Trim by the between these two arcs. Enter. Okay, I'll take the here. So this is what it looks in the views. Let's go back to section. This is my section. So as we said, the line that separates, okay, the objects, it have to be removed. But this is a web. Go to previous session, and we have special cases for webs. These webs, even they are cut along, we have to determine their ending from here there, and from here there. This is what I will see when I cut. This part is the web. This part from here there is the web. Okay. Now I'll create a hatch lines where we have our cutting. So it will be here, enter here, enter here, enter here. Shall we have the cutting or not? Let us see. So this is the thickness of my slot. The other way is the thickness of my slot. Here we have a web. Even it cuts along, but we don't put hatch lines. And here we have the thickness of my cylinder and hole. When we look here, it's open. So it didn't cut. It's go away there in the front of the cutting plane. So we didn't put hatch line here. That's why. This is the sectional front view of my object. Okay. Let us see what we'll have in the side. Click this one, right click, properties as usual, and go to none, between planes, and hit escape. What it cuts here? It cuts only the cylinder. If we project our line down and see, the cutting are occurred in the cylinder only. So when I'm looking from here there, I have these earrings, and there is no hidden line in the section. So what shall I do? I'll have to take them out, the earrings and the hole. They will be deleted. Again, and the other earring. What else? What's this? This is the projection of my web, but the web is coming in the back of my section, so it won't be cutted, and it's in the back. I'll delete it again. This is my hole. I'll change it to visible. What else? We have this line. This line presents the slot. The slot is in the back. I'll delete it again. What about these two lines? They are the opening. When I'm looking here, I'll see this and I'll see this. They became visible. So I'll take this one. Okay, sorry, 1, 2, and change them to visible. So here is the thickness of my cylinder. Here is the hole, and this is the opening. I'll create a hatch here, enter here, and this is the sectional side view BB. This is the sectional side view BB. Let's deal with the top. Right click, properties, between planes. Okay, so if we look here, we can see that the object that cut by the plane is the earrings, the cylinder, hole, cylinder, and now these objects, the slot and the web, are in the front of the cut. So the earring is cutted, yes. The hole is cutted, yes. The hole was hidden line, we'll turn it to, because it cut, we'll turn it to visible. This is the first rule. There's no hidden line in the section. The other rule is the line one that bisects these two objects. It have to be removed because they became an object. From here, there, enter, sorry, again from here, there, and from here, there, enter. I'll take this out because it's one material. Now when we cut it, it's a one material. Anything else? No. Let's put some hatch. Where we cut this cylinder. This is a hole, so we have to put hatch again. Where? Here. Again in the other earring, here. But as we can see, the dents of the hatch means the distance between these two lines in the hatch. Here is 2 dents, here a little bit gone. In order to make it the same, we have to use match properties, and let us make it as these. Okay, and click to other hatch, enter, and they all became the same dents, So this is my sectional front view. This is a sectional side view, and this is a sectional top view CC. AA, BB, CC. You have to continue the exercise, putting the dimension, okay, etc., etc. And go to drawing. We'll have our section, and we'll have our view. Thank you very much for joining. See you in next session. Goodbye and take care.